Going all in, going all in. And how do you go all in? All the platforms, all the content, every time you're talking about your product, you're talking about your work, you're talking about the information that you have to tell about your product or your service. There are days, if you would have noticed, when I go all in, probably when we have come up with a sale on my programs, then on my social media, in my stories, inside my emails, inside my videos, whenever I talk, whenever I go live, I go all in. That is the way of creating that awareness and hitting people really hard. Do it, take it, become a part of it, take that action. And you will only be able to push people so very hard if you have got 100% faith upon whatever you are offering to them. And this is the case with people who are doing a job as well. If you are there and if you have to convince the senior to give you that promotion, you need to go all in. Somebody has written, but not forcing. You need to force people. You need to force people. I do it. I have done it for all of you. And all of you have then said, Rahul, thank you so much that you pushed us. People don't do it. That's the harsh reality. Somebody is saying that people might unsubscribe me. How does that matter? Let me give you a strategy right now with a statistic. If 10,000 people unsubscribe to your emails on a daily basis, if 10,000 people unsubscribe to your emails on a daily basis, even then it is going to take 8 years to just complete the entire population of New Delhi. Don't worry about people unsubscribing you. Don't worry about people not listening to you. Whatever you do, man, you got to go all in. If you are 100% sold upon your product, you got to go all in. Somebody says you have blown my mind. Seriously, that is what I am here for, right? And that is exactly what you got to do. Stop being worried about things. Stop being worried about, see, when you are working with your 100% dedication, 100% work, why won't you push people? Think about it. Think about it. The reality is we don't do it. We don't do it. Only because deep inside we are afraid, deep inside we are fearful of people judging us. That is what. What if they unsubscribe you? We have got about 140 crore people living in just India. You need not worry about people unsubscribing you. That's the thing. And whether you are a homemaker, you are telling people about anything, whether you are a student, whether you are a working professional, you've got to push people really hard. And we're going to learn more about it in the upcoming slides that I have covered for you. But I hope all of you got it, right? All of you got it. Going all in is the case. Going all in is what is going to take you ahead. I go all in. I don't worry about what people say about me. People are as it is going to say something about you. Rather be known after doing something or not just saying anything at all. The best part is, let people talk about you after you have done something. I'll give a very simple example. Before coming over here, I was having tea with my parents upstairs and my dad was listening to Shri APJ Abdul Kalam. And I was like, man, this is what a life should be. That amazing person is not with us, but still his videos are being watched. That is because he went all in his work. That's the point. That's the thing. Small things matter. Focus on them. Extremely important. Somebody says, but when you are in the initial phase, you doubt a lot. That is why I'm here, right? To ensure that you stop doubting yourself and you start going all in. Because understand, when you say that I doubt myself, a lot of people do that. Maximum people do that. That means that when you would stop doubting about yourself, you start taking your action, you would automatically be able to get those results for yourself. And therefore, you would be able to create those opportunities for you. That's the best part about it. And that is the most important aspect of going all in.